Today we're going to make Oobleck. For this you will need cornstarch and water. Take 2 parts cornstarch, 1 part water and mix them together to make Oobleck.
Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. That is, it acts like a liquid when being poured, but like a solid when a force is acting on it. You can grab it and then it will ooze out of your hands. This substance's funny name comes from a Dr. Seuss book called Bartholomew and the Oobleck. Oobleck is a fictional green substance in the Dr. Seuss book. It has properties of both liquids and solids. You can slowly dip your hand into it like a liquid, but if you squeeze the Oobleck or punch it, it will feel solid. Oobleck is also referred to as the edible slime, as it is mainly made of cornstarch and water. You can add food color or glitter to make it more colorful. You can create dancing Oobleck or dancing monsters with a speaker. You will need a speaker system with a subwoofer to create the effect. Lay the subwoofer on its back so that the cone faces up. You can also wrap the whole speaker in a plastic wrap. Next, you will want to try some tunes with a lot of bass, preferably around 48 Hz. The sound might be a bit overwhelming, so parental guidance is required. It's really interesting to see the Oobleck dance. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more of these interesting stuff, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.